Here we go, mateys. Part two. With the shotgun of righteousness, we're going to see what 4 different types of shotgun shells will do to this board. Ready, ladies and germs? Let's get to it. Fair to say that went all the way through. One more shot to go. Safety. Always put our safety back on. Clear our weapon. Good to go. All right, let's see what we did to this board. So, this was the first shot. Hi. Hello, darlings. I don't know if you can see me through the hole, but there'd be a big fucking hole in my door. Shot number 2. Shot number 2 is the big pellets, the 1/8 inch. As you can see what that did there. Definitely went in it. Did it go through it? Oh, I'd say it kind of did. There's the first hole. Second one, big chunk out the back. Now, third shot up top, the BB. Hey, not so much. I'll be protected from a blast like that if somebody ever came shooting. And the bird shot, as you can maybe even see some of the bird shot in there. That's what that one did. Nothing to the background. Hey, that was just a short video. No tool work, no blah, 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 but I hope you enjoyed it. Come back and join me another time for another episode of The Messy Garage. Or some crap like that.